Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything that's new on the Dress to Impress Petal update, so strap in because this is going to be a long video. First of all, we have new hairstyles, super cute. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 new hairstyles. We also have new masculine hairstyles. I think there's only 3 new ones, unfortunately. We don't have new bangs. I think we have new makeup. Yes, we do. Oh my gosh, this one's cute. Okay, we have, I think, new custom makeup as well here. This one's the eye roll. I'm gonna try to make a look using that. I'm gonna make it look cute. Oh my gosh, there's also like new noses for it as well. Is this the one that you can color? I don't know. Probably not, but let's do just this normal one. Then do we have new lips? Oh my god, we do. We have like this annoyed lips. I wish that we could change. Oh, can we change the color? Not really. It's just in red. Okay, this one's like the annoyed. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. And we have new contour as well. I guess we have new like makeup too here, like these flowers. Super cute, super cute. I love it. Also, I think we can now, yes, we can now color the eye color and the eye shading, which I think is super cool. All right. And then what else do we have that's new? We have these new items. We do need to play around to equip these ones. This one's new. And then in the VIP section, we also have new items here. Super cute. We have this cute mixing bowl. Oh my gosh, I can't believe they have this on Dress to Impress. I look like the most annoyed like baker right now. That's new. What else is new? I don't know if there's anything that new in the men's section. No, there isn't. Well, I guess this one's like for the masculine body, I guess. And we also have new items here that I just purchased. The Grunge collection, the Wild West set, and the Withered Rose set are new. We have a new pose, which is the Petal pose pack. There's 13 poses. There's also new walks. I don't have enough money to purchase everything yet. They also added like the set to the items that we bought. The Denim Star set, the Rich Girl set, etc. Here I'll show you. As you can see, we got these new sets on the items that we've already purchased, which I think is so cool that they added that, and I don't even have to like purchase new items here. Oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, Dress to Impress, I see you. Don't know if we have a new code. I'll check again, but yeah, that is it. I think that's everything that's new in this update. I just have the walk here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.